The population in Uganda had said, why go to court? Why not solve the problem here? Or you pay me, I fix the case, I buy the judge.
We thought we'd bring something new that would change the way practice is being organized in this country.
That would create impact to the community but also to ourselves.
We grew the farm from leaps and bounds. It just became a monumental law firm.
This is something that I think has revolutionized practice in Uganda.
Because the reputation of the legal industry was going down during the bad regimes. So we wanted to set up a law firm which could be relied on.
The vision was to create a center of excellence for legal services to this country, which has international legal vibrations acceptable anywhere.
Where you have a number of people to move away from the one-man model. One man is in the commercial court in one day, then is required in the criminal court, is required in the family court, and so on. I wanted a commercial court where you would have a number of partners with specializations so that your clients would have a one-stop center.
Set standards for advocacy in this country that is beneficial to our clients and the country.
It was basically the foundation law firm that my colleagues built around. We've never looked back.
We believed that for us to stand out, one, we needed to get the best resource, both professionals and administrative staff, the right professionals that would put the interests of the customers first.
So we gathered this amazing arsenal of talented people. And of course, the best is someone I knew who is a distinguished character, the former Attorney General of Uganda. So I walked to his office and I said, I've come to persuade you to stop being important and come and we become important in legal practice. He said, I've been thinking along those lines. I said, we team up? He said, we team up. I knew Oscar Kambona, who was a leading tax lawyer. Bart approached him. He agreed. Wow, started moving. Then Bart introduced to us Sam Mayanja, who was working in in Uganda Development Bank as company secretary, and then me.
At the time, that is 2001, Bart Katureebe was then my minister. He was Minister of Justice, Attorney General. Told me that he had found several other lawyers who would join with us and would form a good law practice together. The first 4 partners, 2 or 3 of them had been in private practice. And so those practices had to associate together.
And we actually agonized earlier about maybe we could call it Mayanja, Katureebe, Karuhanga, Kambona, as was the fashion at that time. But we realized that no, supposing Kambona goes off, supposing Mayanja goes.
How can you have a law firm where Kabatsi works for Karuhanga? It's not possible. He was bigger, he was a giant. How can you have Dr. Karumia? Somebody was heading United Nations, UNHCR. How can he come and work for Katureebe and Kampala Advocates, or Kambona and Kampala Advocates.
Using one partner or two, then others may feel left out. So eventually, we let's get a generic name, which all of us can feel we belong to.
Let us have a name which will outlive us.
So the idea of Kampala Associated Advocates came out of the amalgamation of those law firms.
We are associates, we are equal, we are based in Kampala, we are advocates. It's called Kampala Associated Advocates.